Good morning, students. Exercise 1.5, question number 7th. In a class of 35 students, 24 like to play cricket, 16 like to play football. Let A represents cricket. Let A represents cricket and B represents football. So as per the statement, in a class of 35 students, so there are 35 students, so you may write n of A union B is equal to 35. 24 likes to play cricket, they play cricket, n of A, so we are having n of A as 24. 16 like to play football, football was B, they likes to play, they are 16, football. Also each student likes to play at least one game. How many students likes to play both games? Both means we have to find A intersection B, and we know that n of A union B will be equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So n of A union B 35, n of A 24, this is 16 minus n of A intersection B. Transpose this to this side, this to this side. Negative become positive here. N of A intersection B. Add these two, 40 minus 35. So n of A intersection B is 5. Means there are 5 students who play both the games. 8th question. In a survey of 400 students in a school, 100 were listed taking apple juice. Let A represents apple juice. Let A represents apple juice and B represents orange juice. Let A represents apple juice, B represents orange juice. So 100 were listed taking apple juice. Means n of A is 100. N of A is 100. They are taking apple juice. 150 taking orange juice. So n of B is 150. 100 were taking apple juice, n of A, and who are taking orange juice, it is n of B. They are given to us 150. And 75 were listed taking both, जो दोनों पीते हैं, means n of A intersection B. These are 75. Find how many students were taking neither apple juice nor orange juice. हमें वो निकालने हैं जो कोई भी नहीं पीते. और in the starting we are given that in a survey of 400 students, means that is n of U, it is given to us 400. हमने इतने बच्चों का सर्वे किया था टोटल, so this becomes n of U. First find n of A union B, stands for either A or B. N of A union B, either A or B, means those students who are either taking apple juice or orange juice. वो स्टूडेंट जो या तो एप्पल जूस पीते हैं या ऑरेंज पीते हैं. इट इज n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. N of A 100, this is 150, this is 75, which will be equal to 175. So 175 are those who are taking either apple or orange juice, either apple or orange juice. But we have to find who are taking neither apple nor orange. Neither apple nor orange means n of A complement intersection B complement. This represents neither. A था taking apple juice, so A complement neither apple juice. they are not taking apple juice. No complement nor orange, it is nor. आइदर के लिए और के लिए आता है यूनियन, नोर के लिए इंटरसेक्शन. सो हाउ टू फाइंड दिस? आई कैन राइट दिस एज ए यूनियन बी होल कॉम्प्लीमेंट. हेयर इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट, इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऐसे लिखा है जैसे, या देखिए ए इंटरसेक्शन बी, दिस इज, एक सेकेंड, if we are having A union B whole complement, whole complement, I can also write this as A complement intersection B complement. These are De Morgan's laws. So if we have A complement, तो चाहे ऐसे लिखा है या ऐसे लिखा है, सेम थिंग. ठीक है, A union B whole complement, we can also write like this, n of A complement intersection B complement. तो यहाँ पे था we need to find n of A complement intersection B complement, neither apple juice nor orange juice. ये जो complement है ये रिप्रेजेंट करता है नोट को. so neither apple nor orange. and now this is A union B whole complement. This we can write as A union B whole complement. और जिसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकालना होता है उसको U में से माइनस, n of U minus n of A union B. n of U was 400, n of A union B 175. It is 225. So these are the students who are taking neither apple juice nor orange juice. Now 11th question. Out of 40 students in a class, 16 study English, 22 accountancy, 26 economics. We may write here, let A represents, first is English, B represents accountancy, and C represents economics. We have here three subjects. Let A represents English, B represents accountancy, C represents economics. Then out of 40 students in a class, so we are having A union B union C, this is 40. n of A union B union C is equal to 40. There are 40 students in the class. 16 study English, 16 study English, it was A, means n of A is 16. And 22 accountancy, it was B, n of B is 22. 26 economics, it was C, so n of C is 26. These are who study economics. Then 5 study English and economics. English and economics, in case of or we will use union, in case of and we will use intersection. So English and economics मतलब A and C, n of A intersection C given to us 5. Next 14 accountancy and economics. accountancy and economics एंड दिया है तो क्या आएगा, इंटरसेक्शन, n of B intersection C, this is 14. and to study all three subjects, all three A B C, means n of A intersection B intersection C is 2. to study all three subjects, this is A intersection B intersection C. now apply the formula, हमने कल भी किया था. what is n of A union B union C? it is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of b intersection c minus n of c intersection a plus n of a intersection b intersection c. So n of a union b union c is equal to n of a plus n of b plus n of c minus n of a intersection b minus n of b intersection c minus n of c intersection a plus n of a intersection b intersection c. Now put the values. जब पीछे भी वैल्यू पुट की थी इट वाज 40, ये 40 था, दिस 40. n of a वाज अपने यहाँ लिखे साइड सर यहाँ पे भी ये वाले n of a was 16, n of b 22, n of c 26. So 16, this is 22, this is 26 minus n of a intersection b. A intersection b, we are not having this. We are having a intersection c and b intersection c. So we are not having a intersection b. That we need to find. So this is 5, this is 14. n of a intersection b as it is, हमें इसको find out करना है. Minus b intersection c. b intersection c was, it was 14 and this is 5. So this is 14, this is 5 and this was 2. This was 2. So you need to find a intersection b. 40 as it is, 16 plus 22 plus 26 and plus 2, add them. This is 66 minus 19 minus n of a intersection b. So this is 40, 66 minus 19, subtract it, this is 47 minus n of a intersection b. Now 40 minus 47 equal to minus n of a intersection b. Minus 7 is equal to minus n of a intersection b. Cancel out. So n of a intersection b is 7. A was English, B was accountancy. So those who are studying English and accountancy, 7. ये आपका फर्स्ट पार्ट था टेस्ट का, 11th का फर्स्ट पार्ट. इन सेकेंड पार्ट English accountancy but not economics. Second part we have to find number of students who study English and accountancy, but not economics. So English and accountancy it was 7 minus n of a intersection b intersection c, it was 2. We have to find number of students who study English and accountancy. It was 7 but not economics. So the 2 were those who study all three. So subtract all 3 from this one. You may also write n of a intersection b minus n of a intersection b intersection c. It is 7, this is 2, which is 5.